I look like a professional YouTuber now.
Assalam habibi.
Yes, run. Travel like they said.
पहली बार ही जा रहे हैं क्या बैग के साथ?
नहीं
Exactly.
I can't believe we are going again because हम अभी आए थे बस इंडिया से and this time we are traveling with Vistara which I'm very excited about because we will be traveling in business class. This is my first time in business class. यहाँ से to Delhi. Oh really? You never said this?
नहीं,
oh nice.
बैठा था बिजनेस क्लास में।
पता नहीं मैं I thought
इतनी अच्छी किस्मत का है हमारी।
Oh God.
सुविधा हमने इतनी बार ट्राई किया हुआ है। हम जब लंदन जा रहे थे तब भी ट्राई किया था। हे हेलो लिसन, ये हमेशा जाके वहाँ पे बोलेगा भाई बिजनेस दे दो। हमें मुझे पता
लंदन जाते हैं हमारे को मिल गया था L2 deck.
हाँ L2 डेक मिला था, बिजनेस थोड़ी था वो।
But that is still premium economy only.
Oh really? मेरे को तो कभी नहीं मिला. I've tried a lot also. And yeah, but this time I'm very excited. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I hope I can get out daily vlogs from this trip. I really hope. I have planned out a couple of things in my head. And
Daily
since मैं अभी अनन्या के साथ जा रही हूँ, so it should be even more exciting. Let's see how it goes. Content farm है.
So,
Bye.
see you.
बाय।
भाई दुबई एयरपोर्ट इतना बड़ा है, यहाँ पे चल चल के हालत खराब हो जाती है. प्लस देयर इज अ मेट्रो इनसाइड द एयरपोर्ट. इट्स क्रेजी. वी हैव गॉट आवर बोर्डिंग पासेस नाउ. Apparently now you need to fill up some self declaration at the Delhi airport which basically tells them that okay, oh उससे कोविड टेस्ट वापस दिया. हाँ दे दिया
मेरा भी।
Yes. So guys, I'm consciously going to try to remain healthy in this trip because last trip I was अभी जब भी हम last गए थे मतलब unnecessarily हमने इतना गंद खाया था and even me when I was at home and I ended up gaining weight. So whatever we can do consciously, you know, make conscious choices like instead of beer juice, gin or vodka. Good morning from New Delhi. We have arrived. It is currently 12 degrees Celsius. Very nice to be in ठंड again. दिल्ली घुस के अच्छा लगता है. It feels like your own territory. This is why you need air Suvidha. Please get it done before you come. It's chill time. Oh ठंडी हवा. Oh wow.
क्या कॉन्वॉय सीन हुआ है?
Oh you tell me now.
अरे वृंदा शर्मा का नाम लिखा हुआ था भैया एयरपोर्ट से घुसते ही सामने।
यार आप टेकन दैट, वो तो मैंने लिया, मैंने ब्लॉग में लिया.
फिर ऐसे ही खोला हुआ था, ठीक है मैम कम 5-7
मैं बोल रही थी मेरा इलाका है.
5 मिनट में हम एरोप्लेन से बाहर रोड पे.
Peeps.
15 minutes later.
Get up.
One eternity later.
पूरी रात हम सोए नहीं है and since we had 3 hours between when we landed from Dubai and now and our flight to Srinagar, we decided to go to my house and take a nap. It was a quick 1 hour nap but बड़ी मुश्किल से हम उठे. We were hoping कि flight delay हो गई हो ताकि थोड़ा और सो जाए. Good morning, welcome on board. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So nice to be back after so long.
Enjoy the hotel.
By so long I mean 2 weeks. Always a very long time for the mountains. Restaurant number 2. This is nice and bright for photos. So जहाँ से मैंने अभी फिरन खरीदा, so the guy who owns the store here, he's telling उन्होंने कि मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. तो उन्होंने से Instagram पे maybe इसे नहीं CP में. Small world indeed.
नाडा
Bhavata.
Remember in my last vlog when I said don't carry suitcases? This is what I meant, and this is why I said this. We are staying in a houseboat today, and फिर हम कल या तो पहलगाम जाएंगे या तो हम गुलमर्ग जाएंगे. We haven't decided yet, हाँ? Oh wow. साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. So we are staying in Mascot houseboats. वहाँ तक जाने के लिए we will need to take a shikara that will take us to that point. We are on Lake Nagin and it's all frozen. They've just like made little paths जहाँ से शिकारा जाएगी.
छल्ले उड़ाओ छल्ले. So
There you go.
There's our Mascot
Finally.
houseboat.
This is a 6 to 7 minute ka rasta which has taken us about 20 minutes because the lake is frozen and you can only follow certain paths to here which are obviously carved out by these guys. So Mascot houseboats.
Here.
Oh wow.
It's not necessary, it has come.
Oh wow.
This is Shama Sweet, ma'am.
Oh my god. यहाँ से निकलेंगे जाएंगे कसम.
One of the best meals I've working around it.
Oh
And behind.
Finally feeling a little energized because अभी पकौड़े खाए हैं हमने and we also had like 3-4 cups of kava. Yeah, feels amazing. Yeah, I feel like आज day 1 vlog will be nice. Actually plans of going here and there today but हम आज नहीं करेंगे because this place is so beautiful. We're just gonna stay here and take some pictures and videos before we leave tomorrow. Oh, Bablu. Stop. We just announced what the giveaway will be of and it's very exciting. Even I'm excited. I wish I could participate. Yeah, by the time this video is up, obviously, I think winner भी announce हो चुका होगा. So congratulations to whoever has won in the future. Wow. I can already see you editing this in a very
booblicious way.
So this is Ananya's favorite time to take a picture. This is called the blue hour.
Blue hour. जब sun नीचे चला जाता है and sun की रेज ऊपर जाती हैं, so बहुत ही कम टाइम होता है, 15 मिनट्स का, डिपेंड करता है विंटर्स या समर्स. अब हमारा टाइम अभी खराब हो रहा है. बबलू बात बताइए.
I dropped my specs, yaar.
कहाँ पे गया?
I don't know why this only happens with me. When I could like see my shades falling down in slow motion, and it reminded me of when my phone was stolen out of my hands.
Tell me exactly where it is.
Okay,
बस
so I dropped it
here.
here.
इसके 2
ये जो डंडी दिख रही है ना, इसके आसपास. Oh my god.
The shotgun shells from this trick.
Thank you so much.
Yes, but now say no.
Oh my god. I can't believe it. Oh, we are acting as if हमने कभी पहले बर्फ नहीं देखी. But come on.
मैं तो वेट कर रहा था 7 बजे तक उठे नहीं.
Oh, good morning. जिस रास्ते से हम आए थे जहाँ पे पूरी नदी वैसी जमी हुई थी, जो छोटे छोटे रास्ते बना रखे थे तोड़ के बर्फ, वो भी अब जम चुका है. I don't know how we'll go back. Maybe we'll have to walk over the lake. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. I'm gonna end the vlog here now because कल कैमरा में भी बैटरी नहीं थी और मेरे में भी बैटरी नहीं थी and we are just starting the day today. Both of us are going to get ready and head out, see what our plans for the day because we haven't really decided anything. We might stay here another day, who knows, I would love to, but let's see what happens. Hope you like this vlog. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and see you in the next vlog.